Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to speed up video in Alight Motion application. To speed up a video or a clip in Alight Motion, follow the steps till the end of the video. First of all, tap open Alight Motion application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, tap on the plus button and create a new project or choose an existing project you would like to work on. Once you open up a project for yourself, go ahead and tap on the video option and then tap on the timer or the speed meter icon on the left hand side of the screen. Once you click open the menu, you will be able to see a slider. If you want to speed up the video, drag the slider towards the right hand side of the screen. Select your desired speed and then tap the play button to play the video. As you can see that you have successfully increased or sped up your video. You can further speed the video by dragging the slider all the way towards the right hand side of the screen or place it on your desired position and then click the play button to play the video. You can experiment with different speeds until you achieve the desired effect. Once you're satisfied with the result, proceed to export the video. Tap on the little export icon right next to the gear button at the top right and choose your preferred export setting and tap on export in order to save the video to your device. And there you have it. Your video will be now playing at a faster speed in Alight Motion. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.